Hello guys, today I've got the PANASONIC HC-VX3E-K and I'm going to show you how to fix the HDMI connection issues. So, actually this might be a problem, but it's not localized in the camera itself. So at first, check the basics. Try to replace the cable and try to replace the, maybe not computer, but try to plug your cable, your camera to the different output, to different monitor. This should be anything for you. If it worked, if the monitor was the issue, the display I mean, or if the cable was the issue, you owe me a like. But if it wasn't the issue, we need to go to the next step of this video. If you have your cable inserted, try to detect any movement. So here, as you can see, we do have our port, and try to move a cable a little bit. If we see that the cable is moving with ease or something like that, or it's just falling out of the port, something is wrong, because it shouldn't be that easy. It shouldn't be falling out. It should be everything nice and clean here. So the port is the failure, and you need to contact device support to have your device fixed. And these are all the things that are in the hardware. Now the only thing you can do softwarely is the factory reset. So click the menu button on your camera and tap here setup. Go down to the page number 5 and tap initial set. Then yes. And now, as you can see, we are good to go. I am. If you are too, let me know in the comment section down below. If you are not, let me know in the comment section down below again. And let me know what fixed your issue. Goodbye.